If you look at this question, an important question from trigonometry, cos alpha plus beta is given in the problem as 3 by 5, sin alpha minus beta is given in the problem as 5 by 13. Now, and alpha and beta both are lying between 0 to pi by 4 is told in the problem. Okay. So, alpha beta both are lying between 0 to pi by 4, which means even if I try to add, see, 0 less than alpha less than pi by 4, I can write like this, and 0 less than beta less than pi by 4, correct or not? So, if I add both 0 plus 0 less than alpha plus beta less than pi by 4 plus pi by 4, right? Which means 0 less than alpha plus beta less than pi by 2. So, this only means to say that alpha plus beta will lie in the first quadrant, right? 0 to pi by 2. So, that's why alpha plus beta is positive. Cos of alpha plus beta in the first quadrant, we know all the trigonometric ratios are positive, right? ASTC, we have seen this in synopsis, quadrantal behavior of angles, ASTC. So, this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2 and this is 2 pi, correct? 2 pi. Now, very similarly, now if I do, see, 0 less than alpha less than pi by 4, is it okay? So, if I multiply by negative sign, then what will happen? The sign of the inequality will reverse like this, correct? So, now I want to calculate alpha minus beta, no? So, I'll do like this. This is for beta, I'll consider for beta. Now, what I'll do? I'll subtract this from this one. This is minus beta, no? I'll add this part and this part. When I add, I'll get 0 minus pi by 4, 0 minus pi by 4 less than alpha minus beta less than 0 plus pi by 4, correct? So, your minus pi by 4 less than alpha minus beta less than pi by 4. This implies to me that alpha minus beta should belong from where to where? Minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. But if you consider here alpha minus beta, if you consider, if it is to be lying between minus pi by 4 and plus pi by 4, sine and cos both are positive here, correct or not? If I consider alpha minus beta to be lying in this range, sine and cos both cannot become positive, because in the fourth quadrant, minus pi by 4, only cos is positive, sine cannot become positive. So, having said and done that this part is to be, this nature is to be satisfied simultaneously, I can say that alpha and beta will lie between where to where? 0 to pi by 4. So, this part is correct. Whatever is given in the problem is making sense here, correct or not? So, now we can say tan 2 alpha can be written as tan of, see here, tan of alpha plus alpha, which can be written as tan of, can we not write like this, tan of, see, alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Are you getting it? Tan of alpha plus beta plus tan of alpha minus beta. So, your answer to the question will be tan of A plus B. That is nothing but tan A. I'll show you like this. This I'll rub here. This is nothing but tan A. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, correct? Alpha minus beta. So, what is your answer that we get now? Tan alpha can be written as a sine tan of alpha plus beta. So, see here, this is cos of alpha plus beta, no? So, we'll go like this, we'll go by trigonometry. This is alpha plus beta. It's given in the problem cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 3 divided by 5. Yes. So, this is 3, this is 5. So, by trigonometry, this is 4. So, we can say by Pythagoras theorem, so tan of alpha plus beta, so tan alpha plus beta will be equal to 4 divided by 3. Similarly, you go for alpha minus beta. So, here what is given in the problem? Sine of alpha minus beta is given in the problem, right? Sine of alpha minus beta is given in the problem as 5 divided by 13. So, this is 5, this is 13, this is 12. So, tan of alpha minus beta, that is equal to how much is it? 5 divided by 12. So, substitute here, tan of alpha plus beta is 4 by 3 plus 5 divided by 12 divided by 1 minus 4 divided by 3 into 5 divided by 12. So, 48 plus 15 divided by 36 minus 20. So, 3, 13, 63 divided by how much? 16. 63 divided by 16 will be the answer to the question.